In the natural sciences, the term alpha wolf refers to the concept of leadership within wolf packs based on a social hierarchy. This theory generally assumes that a dominant male, and sometimes a dominant female, occupy a top position in the pack, with other individuals submitting to them. Since its adoption in popular culture, this concept has been used as a metaphor for traits like strong leadership and charisma. More concerningly, it has also formed the basis for traditional dog training techniques that rely on force and intimidation. But how accurate are these claims? In this video, we will examine the history of the alpha wolf theory, current scientific findings, and its misconceptions. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. The alpha wolf concept originates from the work of animal behaviorist Rudolf Schenkel in the 1940s, who studied captive wolves. Schenkel claimed that wolf packs were structured around dominant individuals, alphas, based on his observations of aggressive interactions in captivity. These findings were then generalized to wolves in the wild. However, the social behaviors of animals living in captivity cannot be applied to the species as a whole. In confined environments like zoos or shelters, where access to resources is limited, it's natural for some individuals to assert control over feeding and mating rights, exerting dominance over others. For example, in a prison cell block, a dominant inmate may emerge, making decisions and enjoying privileges over others. But this hierarchy dissolves when individuals regain their freedom. The same applies to all animal species. In 1970, David Mech popularized the alpha wolf concept in his book The Wolf. He later spent 30 years trying to convince people that his book was flawed. Between the 1980s and 1990s, Mech followed a wolf pack in northeastern Canada annually, the longest study of its kind. He published his findings in the Canadian Journal of Zoology in 1999, stating, "The alpha term is based on a misinterpretation of studies of captive wolves. This hierarchical structure does not exist in the wild. Leadership is linked to biological parenthood." The book has since been discontinued. Indeed, when we observe wild species, leadership is entirely about biological parenthood, and wolves are no exception. Wolf packs typically consist of a male and female pair and their offspring. The pups naturally submit to both their mother and father, while younger pups defer to older ones. Parents, however, always prioritize feeding the youngest pups, just like humans. Thus, the social structure of wolf packs is far too complex to be reduced to the dominance of an alpha wolf. In fact, studies conducted after 1990 completely debunked the alpha wolf theory. In short, the theory is a myth. Despite being scientifically disproven, the alpha wolf theory persists in popular culture. It is often used as a metaphor for leadership and charisma, emphasizing strong leadership traits. This theory has also influenced some problematic practices in dog training, leading to reward and punishment-based techniques. I'll explore this topic in more detail in an upcoming video. The debunking of the alpha wolf theory has corrected many misconceptions about social dynamics within packs. For example, the mistaken belief that dogs share the same social structure as wolves has led to flawed training techniques. Today, scientists emphasize the impact of environmental and social interactions on behavior, both in wolves and dogs. The alpha wolf theory has undergone significant evolution in the scientific world, revealing it to be a concept based on misunderstandings. Modern research demonstrates that wolf packs are organized around a complex family structure. By relying on scientific facts, we can better understand nature and animal behavior, moving beyond the cliches of popular culture. See you in the next video.